Hi, I'm Casey with Street Talk. Everyone knows that streets connect us to work, school, shopping, recreation, and to each other. Streets are more than just infrastructure, they connect our lives. When you look at a street, you just see the driving surface, but there's much more to it. Garland Street Department sees the same roadway, plus the base and subgrade underneath. Garland has 707 centerline miles of streets and 321 miles of alleys. New streets typically have a useful life of about 30 years before any major repairs are needed. Over time, regular maintenance can extend that lifespan by years or even decades. The city regularly evaluates every street and alley to determine its current condition and uses that information to develop a 3-year construction program. With over 1,028 combined miles to maintain, repair, and replace, needs exceed available resources, so work has to be prioritized. Maintenance comes in many forms. It starts with street sweeping and debris removal so that it does not accumulate and damage the road surface. Other preventative maintenance can extend the life of the road for decades by slowing down the deterioration of the base and subgrade that support the driving surface. When the base and subgrade are compromised, this causes pavement surface failure, which could ultimately lead to the need for full rehabilitation of a street or an alley. Preventative maintenance is performed when road wear begins to show. There are a variety of techniques used, depending on the type of pavement failure. Crack sealing treats separations that occur on the road surface to prevent them from filling with moisture or debris. This process keeps the cracks from becoming deeper and wider and helps prevent the formation of potholes. Microsurfacing improves the surface condition by applying a thin layer of polymer-treated asphalt emulsion. An asphalt overlay places a 2-inch layer of new asphalt atop the existing pavement surface to extend a street's viability before needing to be replaced. Other techniques include asphalt rejuvenation and level lifting. All of these tools can extend the life of the city's roadways for many years. As new streets and alleys are being constructed, existing ones have not been forgotten. The City of Garland Street Department has a crew of dedicated professionals who work throughout the city to improve the condition of our streets and alleys. Residents have consistently ranked infrastructure repair as a high priority, and money spent on street and alley maintenance is a wise investment. In fiscal year 2020, the city plans to spend over $28 million on street and alley repair and reconstruction projects in Garland. Find out more at street.garlandtx.gov, and while you're there, subscribe to Street Talk, our monthly e-newsletter, to see what work is going on in the city. For Street Talk, I'm Casey Castro.